Number 1 for section 3.7, we are solving an inequality. So it's a little bit different from solving an equation. We're looking for cutoff points, and the cutoff points are going to be used on a number line, and they're where it's equal to 0 or undefined. So if the original is factored like it already is, we can just take the zeros of those factors. So x is going to be equal to 3, x is equal to negative 5, and then x is equal to negative 5 over 2. So these are going to be our cutoff points. So if I make a number line, I want these to be my points. And 3. So with these problems, we need to figure out really the sign of each of these regions. So if you plug in, the cutoff points themselves, negative 5 over 2, and 3, into the original function, and you can either just plug them in directly or use the table feature on your calculator, you will see that they equal 0 there. So now I need to choose points in between these. So the first region, I'm looking for a number that's less than negative 5. I'm going to choose negative 6. And if you plug that in, you'll get negative 63. Now, I don't care about the fact that it's 63. I care about the fact that it's negative. So I can actually put a negative here because that region will be negative. Then I need to pick a number between negative 5 and negative 5 halves. So I'm going to pick negative 4, and I get positive 21. I don't care about the 21. I care about the fact that it's positive. A number between negative 5 halves and 3, I'm going to pick 0. I get a negative 75, so this is a negative. And then a number that's greater than 3, I'm going to pick 4, and that gives me a positive number, so I'm going to pick positive there. So again, you can use the table feature on your calculator. You can just plug it in directly into the original function. So this is our number line. So our next step is going to be, we have to figure out what regions they want. If you look at the original problem, so the original inequality sign here, that is less than 0. So because this is less than 0, that really means they want the negative regions. So we want the negative regions. And they want the answer in interval notation, so it's going to be negative infinity all the way up to negative 5. And then I'm going to jump to negative 5 over 2 and take that to 3. So this is our answer, and it's an interval. It's not just one number, it's an interval of numbers. So any of these numbers in these intervals would work in the original inequality.